Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Hyundai Sonata tail light bulb. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, typically a 7440 type. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open your trunk to gain access to the tail light assembly from the inside. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, saving you time and effort. With the trunk open, you'll see 2 or 3 retaining nuts holding the tail light assembly in place. Use a socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove these nuts. Once they are off, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but avoid forcing it to prevent any damage to the housing or paint. This step reveals the bulb sockets. Now that the tail light assembly is out, locate the specific bulb socket you need to replace. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. It might be a bit warm if it was recently on. Then, firmly insert your new 7440 bulb into the socket. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands to prevent oil transfer. To reassemble, simply reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its opening on the vehicle and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining nuts you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not excessively. Finally, test your new bulb to ensure it's working correctly. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.